Hi, this is Michelle from Movement Lesson. I want you to be aware of your child's development from the day they are born. The 1 month factor, a lot of big things are happening, and many people think the baby's not doing much and they don't have to worry about it, but these are your foundations for your movement. Now, in this video, we're going to just concentrate on tummy time. If you have concerns, the best thing to do is join my private Facebook group, Movement Lesson for Parents and Practitioners. The link is included. And please, please, please post your video. It's a free service that I do because I don't want anybody to go through what I've gone through and not understanding development. So I didn't understand that I needed to help my child immediately versus being told, well, we'll see, wait and see, we'll know more next month, and the story continues. You can work on your child's diagnosis if that's the case, or your health, or any kind of stress is that way. You need to work on movement. Movement is the best gift you can give your child. So let's go into the 1 month. And the 1 month, you'll see their eyes maybe closed more than open. When they do open their eyes, it's very unpurposeful. You might think that they're looking at you, but at the same time, they're kind of looking through you. They're learning how to see and focus. It's part of their development. And by the end of the month, you'll start to see how they contract. I should say follow. Tracking happens much later, but they'll be attracted to an object, but not again purposefully. They can't decide they're not going to look or to look, but they'll start to interact. Obviously, your baby's just gone through a birth. If there is a concern for your birth, NICU time, and so forth, please, 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 breathing, any of the things that are compacted in this area, sucking, going into ATNR or tummy time, these are also your concern areas. So make sure that you had a successful birth. If not, maybe you want to do our NICU to home program. That's free. You definitely want to do the newborn movement assessment. That's free. And you definitely want to do our breathing course. That's free. And we have reflex courses, we have tummy time courses, we have baby support program. All those things are there. But these are the major things that have happened within your 1 month period that you really want to handle on. You'll start to see their hands and their feet open and close. Now, not open and close like the song. They're going to be almost like seaweed in a lake. Their toes will wave, and that you'll start to see more of their appendages move, and what I call the absolute horizon. This is where you have your baby and you're here, and you can just pass the baby, put the baby into the crib, and do those kind of things. Your baby is not startling. It's not going into awares of that. They're just floating through space. They don't need the ground. They don't need, it just doesn't phase them. It's almost like an airplane going in for a landing, and that autopilot kicks in. Very similar. And you'll see mouth movements, not just sucking, but they'll be just these random, and as they're playing against gravity. Now, again, when you're looking at your 1 month old, the tummy time will look like this, very gentle, maybe with a suck or a root. They will be in it. They will be very content. They can be in tummy time awake and then go to sleep and go awake again, become awake. Please, 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 if you're sleeping in this position or being in this position, you want to be present for SIDS. You want to be guarding them. They are meant to have a tummy time. When you're going in tummy time, again, you'll start to see a little bit of social interactions where they're trying to do it. But again, these are your mouth movements, your hand movements, everything going on. It is a part of their development. If you want to get my whole developmental chart, please just let me know. But these are really important, and watch the video that comes behind it. 1 month concerns, head control. The pelvis is coming out, a real fussy tummy time. And your baby, you're looking for head lift, your baby to get stronger, or your baby's too stiff to do it. You're starting to use those kind of words. Remember, development is a requirement. It shouldn't be a concern. When concerns happen and you find you're propping your baby, please don't. This is like the worst thing you can do to a newborn, because watch, his head just falls down and he face plants. This is not a functional movement. You think you're getting tummy time, but this is not what you're looking for. And your failures that you're also starting to be concerned of is I get all the time, my baby hates tummy time. No, they don't hate it. They can't do it, and we need to show them through movement. And you'll see again my warnings for the first 12 months of what's going into. If you're really concerned, get the book on Amazon. My early infant development warning signs, birth to 3 months. Now you can chart and track your child's optimal development in social and emotional milestones, language and communications, cognitive milestones, cognitive vision. I'm the only one that puts vision into this category. These categories are out by the CDC, but they don't give the warnings and they don't give the 1 month. They only go for 2 months. And 2 months, it's like tummy time. No, tummy time should happen in the first hours of life. Movement and physical developmental milestones. There's a lot to know about your baby. Get educated, learn to help your baby move. That's what's important. That's development. Thanks.